Hey guys, I'm Sonika. In today's photography tutorial, we are going to learn how to click panorama images with the Nikon Coolpix B500, a point and shoot camera, and Nikon D5300, a DSLR, and see which camera is better. So let's get started. If you like my video guys, give me a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And now enjoy the video. Hey guys, I'm Sonika, and like I mentioned, we will learn to click panoramas with the Nikon Coolpix B500 and Nikon D5300. And first I will show you the settings that I use for panoramas with my Nikon Coolpix B500. So let's jump to the settings.
I will switch to the scene mode. Now go into the menu and select easy panorama. I have two options here, normal and wide. Normal gives me a 15-second panorama and wide for 30 seconds. Let me select normal for the sake of this video. First I will hit the shutter release button halfway to focus, then fully to start the panorama. Move slowly in any direction, left, right, up or down. Make sure you move slowly and steadily or else your camera may jerk and you may get an error. Once you have crossed the distance worth more than half of the slider here, you may stop and the image is recorded. That's it, so simple. Taking an image in Photoshop, I go to filter, lens correction and fix a bit of distortion. Crop the image if needed, and that's it.
Now we come to the Nikon D5300. I do not have a shortcut setting in my Nikon D5300 for panoramas. I have to manually click each image and then join them together in a post-processing software like Photoshop. Let me show you.
I am at this panoramic location. I will keep my camera on a sturdy tripod. Then come to the point where I want to start my panorama and click a picture. Move the camera a bit and click another picture. I keep doing this till the full panorama is covered. Then go to an editing software like Adobe Photoshop. Click on File, Automate, Photo Merge. Browse and select the photos I want to merge. Ensure blend images together is ticked. Okay, and voila, this is so cool. I go to Layer, Merge Layers, then Filter, Lens Correction. Remove some distortion. Go to the crop tool and select the area you want to show in the panorama. You may also use content aware to eliminate more missed areas. Go to edit, fill and select content aware. And the panorama is ready.
So guys, this is how you can click panoramas with the Nikon Coolpix B500 and Nikon D5300. And it is quicker in the Nikon Coolpix B500 because I have a setting in the camera that allows me to take quick panoramas and I don't need to edit them much. But in the DSLR, I have to manually click each image on a sturdy tripod or stand and then join those images in Photoshop. Both have their own advantages and disadvantages. So guys, I hope my video is helpful for you today. and if it was, give me a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below about what you want to watch next on my channel. Share this video with your friends and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also turn on the bell icon to be notified whenever I post new videos. Here is my previous B500 comparison vlog. Please go check it out, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more such videos every Wednesday on my channel. Bye.